Projects. All here on Falcon Science Corner.
Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, this is a Falcon's Science Corner. We upload videos of me sitting down and talking to you guys about space, experiments, and news articles. Today, like I said in the last video, we're talking about black holes. And the news article is about us trying to figure out what happens when two supermassive black holes collide.
Supermassive black holes.
They're massive black holes that have the mass of about a couple million to billion times the mass of the sun. So yeah, we're hoping to capture that using three space probes together that we named LISA. Laser interferometer, I don't know the name, space antenna. It's going to be three space probes positioned in a triangle orbiting around the sun, searching for strong gravitational waves that would not really affect us on Earth, but would still be big. Now, onto the black holes. So, a black hole is an object so dense that not even light can escape. It is infinitely dense.
Infinitely dense.
Think of it as the mass of like 10 suns in a point smaller than a marble. Smaller than anything that you can possibly imagine. All that matter squeezed into an infinitely small point. There are parts to a black hole. Like I said, the most outer part, I don't know if that's grammarly correct, sorry if it isn't grammarly correct, is the accretion disk, a swirling disk of matter around the black hole. The middle part is the event horizon. This is the point of no return. The event horizon, if you were to cross the event horizon, you're getting sucked in. There's no getting out. I mean, if you are continuously going at the speed of light, then you're just going to stay there forever. But that would be much fun. Then the singularity, the infinitely dense part, at the center of the black hole. And it is the reason why the black hole exists. It holds the black hole together, but also sucks at the same time as sucking it in. And now for the experiment, which is going to be about exploding a ziplock bag.
So you're gonna need 1-ply toilet paper, ziplock bags, paper cups, a tablespoon baking soda, and vinegar. And then you put the baking soda into the 1-ply toilet paper, and then fold it up, and then you put the vinegar into the cups. Then you put both of them into the bags and seal it up.
We brought it outside because it might be messy. These are the exploding bags. They're going to explode once we tip them over. Because the vinegar in the cup mixes with the baking soda and the 1-ply toilet paper, and they react, produce a bunch of carbon dioxide, which gets trapped in the bag and forces the bag to explode. I have this poking stick so that I don't get blown to bits.
All right, let's do it.
It's gonna explode. It's filling up.
Do the other two.
Okay. Why do I do such dangerous stuff? They're gonna explode. Well, that didn't work. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna use this one that we just did. More baking soda, more vinegar. It's poofed up. The seal is better. Let's do this. That was a big explosion. Like Hiroshima explosion. Thanks for joining us, guys. Next video is going to be about gravity assists. High five.